Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Cafe, where chatting in English is relaxed and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our great listeners around the world. I'm Jack. It's nice to be with you today.
It's good to see you, Jack. You look very happy today with that big smile.
I am happy, Emma. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to the future.
Ooh, the future? That sounds interesting and fun. Why are you thinking about it?
Well, a new year means new goals.
Yes, I love a new year. It's like starting fresh, a new start.
Yes, and today we have a special episode. We're here to help you make a good plan.
Yes, we're talking about how to learn English in 2026.
This is an important topic. Many people want to learn English, but they often stop.
Yes, they stop and give up. But not this time, not in 2026.
No, this year is different. You will succeed. We're here to help.
We have good tips for you, simple and helpful advice.
Yes, but first, a small request before we start the plan.
Sure, if you like our show, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to English Talk Cafe. Join our group. We want to see you every week.
Also, share this with your friends. Learning English is more fun with friends.
Okay, Emma, are you ready for 2026?
I am. So, Jack, is learning English easy?
Good question. It can be fun, but easy? Not always.
I agree. Let's be honest. Learning English takes work.
Yes, that's true. You can't learn it just by sleeping.
That would be great, learning in your sleep. But no, you need to study. You need commitment.
Commitment, that's a big word. What does it mean for our listeners?
It means make English important in your life. You have to really want it. In 2026, say, I will do this. But Jack, does working hard mean studying 10 hours a day?
No way. That's too much. You would get very tired.
You'd feel exhausted and quit.
We don't want that. We want you to keep going. The secret is every day.
Yes, every day, Monday to Sunday.
Touch English every day. That's important.
Yes. Think about this. If you eat a lot on Sunday, but nothing on Monday or Tuesday, you'd be hungry.
Funny example, Emma, but true. Your brain needs English like food.
So give it a little each day.
Yes, doing it regularly is the key. Maybe 30 minutes a day or 1 hour.
Even 15 minutes is okay, but don't skip days.
So what can listeners do in 15 or 30 minutes? First, listen. Listen to podcasts like ours.
Yes, listen to English Talk Cafe. Listen to stories. Listen to English songs.
Let the words go into your ears. It helps your brain learn the sounds.
But Jack, is listening enough?
No, it's good, but for better learning in 2026, do more.
Yes, be active. Take part.
Here's my best tip. Talk.
Talk if I'm alone?
Talk to yourself.
I do it all the time.
I know, Jack, but it's a good idea. Say words out loud. Yes, don't just think them, say them. Use your mouth.
Hear a new word? Repeat it. Commitment. Regularly. Say it 6 times.
Yes, say loudly, I'm learning English.
Not too loud. Your neighbors might hear.
True, but talking helps your mouth and improves how you say words.
I have a favorite tip too.
I think it's about a notebook, Emma.
Yes, you know me. I love notebooks.
Emma always has one. She writes everything.
It's helpful. In 2026, buy a nice notebook.
What do you write?
New words, 3 or 5 each day.
Just 5?
Yes, 5 a day for a year. 5 times 365.
Wow, almost 1,825 words.
Yes, small steps, big results.
That's a lot. You can talk about many things.
Yes, write them and read again tomorrow.
Good tip. So listen, talk, write every day. That's the hard part. But Emma, what if I get tired or stressed?
Important point. You need to work hard, but you're human, not a robot.
Beep, beep. I'm not a robot.
No, so rest is needed. It's part of learning.
Yes, your brain needs sleep.
True. When tired, I forget words.
Me too. In 2026, sleep well, take care of yourself, enjoy life, be with family.
Yes, go out with friends, have fun, laugh.
If you're happy, you learn better. If sad or stressed, it's hard.
Yes, do English daily, but also relax.
Balance. We need balance.
Yes, work and rest.
I like this plan, but Emma, I have a worry.
What, Jack?
January is easy. New Year excitement.
Yes, but what about April, August, November?
Middle of the year. That's hard.
Yes, people get bored or busy and stop. The big challenge, keep going.
How to continue on bad days.
Remember your goal. Think of December 2026.
December 2026.
Imagine you speak English well, you understand movies, you talk to people from other places.
Nice picture. I want that.
Want it a lot. Be brave.
Brave?
Yes, learning a language takes courage. You make mistakes.
Oh, mistakes. I hate them.
Everyone does. But don't be scared. Don't let them stop you.
Say a word wrong? It's fine.
It's good. It means you're trying. In 2026, make lots of mistakes.
Lots of mistakes. Okay.
Learn from them. Don't quit.
If you miss a day, start again next day.
Yes, come back to English always.
This plan is great, Emma. I feel excited.
Me too. Our listeners can do it.
It takes a year, but time passes anyway.
True, Jack. Use the time to learn.
At the end of 2026, you'll be proud. Wow, I did it. I speak English.
Great feeling.
Yes. Now, quick review of our plan.
Good. Like friends talking. First, hard work.
Yes, no magic. Study and commit every day.
Yes, touch English daily. Listen to podcasts. Set your phone to English. Keep it around you.
Be active. Use notebook. Talk loud. Join in.
But not like robots.
No.
Rest. Sleep. Enjoy family and friends. Happy brain learns better.
Last, don't stop.
Never. Even when hard or busy, keep going to the end.
Be brave and regular.
That's the 2026 plan.
Perfect.
Yes, it will be a great year for everyone listening.
Yes, we're together. Emma and I are here every week.
We're your learning friends.
Now, tell us in the comments.
Yes, what's your 2026 plan? Got a notebook? We'll listen to podcasts? Share one thing.
Writing it is a good first step.
Yes, promise yourself. If this helped, like and subscribe to English Talk Cafe.
Don't miss episodes. They're for your daily practice.
Share with a friend who wants to learn. Study together.
Thanks for listening. We're cheering for you.
We believe in you. You can do it.
Make 2026 your English year.
Have a good week. Study hard, but have fun.
Bye, everyone. See you next time. Bye.